You mentioned that you had suspicions of pregnancy. You took multiple tests and they were all positive. So congratulations, first of all, on the fact that you're pregnant. Based on your last period, you mentioned that you're about 4 weeks along and you went to the doctor. They did some blood tests and an ultrasound, and by ultrasound they couldn't see anything. And it is normal to not see anything by ultrasound at 4 weeks. And so it sounds like your doctor scheduled some follow-up visits to check as you get further along, and that's good. They can track the progress and make sure things are progressing as they should. Now, it's normal that you got positive pregnancy tests at this point because the soonest most home pregnancy tests can detect pregnancy is 2 weeks past the time of conception. If you've had irregular periods in the past, but you did have one 4 weeks ago, then that's a pretty reliable way to date your pregnancy because you bled then. Chances are you probably ovulated about mid-cycle and then you got positive pregnancy tests about 2 weeks after that point, or a total of 4 weeks from the time you had your last period. So it all adds up, the fact that your period was 4 weeks ago, you couldn't see anything when you went to the doctor, but you do have positive pregnancy test results. All of those things sound pretty normal. So again, I recommend following up with your doctor, and based on their knowledge of your situation, they can give you the best advice and information about whether or not further investigation or treatments are necessary in the future. Now, you mentioned you have a little bit of lower abdominal pain, and that can be normal, but if it gets more intense or more persistent, or you're concerned, especially if you start bleeding, call your doctor. And again, they'll decide if anything needs to be done about it. Good luck to you. I hope the very best. And if you have more questions for me in the future, please feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.